In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly add a new expense in your accounting software using the chart of accounts. This process is designed to be intuitive and straightforward, so whether you're a seasoned accountant or just starting out, you'll be able to follow along easily. To begin, let's navigate over to the accounting section of your software. Once you've opened this section, you'll see various options, but right now we need to focus on the chart of accounts. The chart of accounts is essentially a well-organized system that keeps track of all your financial accounts, allowing you to manage your business finances efficiently. It's crucial to understand how to use this tool effectively as it helps in maintaining clarity and ensuring accurate financial reporting. Once you're in the chart of accounts, look for the option to create something new. This is where we're going to set up our new expense account. Click on the New button to begin the process. Next, you will need to select the type of account you are creating. Here, we are interested in setting up an expense account. Expenses are essentially the costs incurred by your business to earn revenue, and having a designated account for them helps in keeping your finances organized and clear for analysis. So, select Expense from the list of options available. This ensures that the software categorizes this account correctly, affecting how transactions are recorded and reported in your financial statements. After selecting expense, the next step is to give this account a name. Think of a name that's specific and descriptive enough to clearly indicate the nature of this expense. This clarity is important not just for the present but also when you look back at your records later. A well-named account makes it much easier to understand what each entry represents, saving you time in the future when tracking expenses. Once you've entered a suitable name, we're almost done. The final step is reviewing all the entered details to ensure accuracy. This might seem trivial, but taking a moment to check everything before saving can prevent potential issues from incorrect categorization or spelling mistakes. Once you're sure everything is correct, hit the Save button. You've just successfully created a new expense account within your chart of accounts. This new account will now appear whenever you need to categorize an expense, making your accounting process that much smoother. By keeping your chart of accounts organized and up to date, you ensure your accounting system remains a powerful asset in managing your financial health. It's all about creating a strong foundation that supports your decision-making with accurate and accessible data. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Keep practicing, and soon this process will become second nature.